Welcome back to Wheeloscopy. Today we're diving into something that feels straight out of a futuristic expedition dream, the all-new next-generation 2026 Scania DesertCruiser 6x6 motorhome, officially unveiled and already redefining what extreme overland luxury really means. This is not just a motorhome, it's a fully self-sufficient fortress on wheels built to conquer deserts, mountains, and everything in between without compromising comfort, power, or technology. At first glance, the DesertCruiser 6x6 looks absolutely massive and intimidating, and that's exactly the point. Built on a heavy-duty Scania 6x6 chassis, this machine is engineered for the harshest terrains on the planet. The aggressive stance, high ground clearance, and reinforced steel body give it a commanding presence that instantly tells you this vehicle is built for serious adventure. The front fascia features a rugged grille, advanced LED lighting system, an integrated winch system that's ready for recovery situations in extreme environments. Under the hood, the 2026 DesertCruiser is powered by a next-generation turbocharged diesel engine producing over 700 horsepower and massive torque, ensuring it can climb dunes, crawl over rocks, and cruise highways with ease. Paired with an intelligent all-wheel drive system and advanced differential locks, this motorhome delivers unmatched traction in sand, mud, or snow. The adaptive air suspension system automatically adjusts ride height depending on terrain, making every journey smooth despite the rough conditions outside. But what truly sets this motorhome apart is not just its power, it's the insane level of luxury packed inside. Step into the DesertCruiser and you're greeted by a modern, high-end living space that feels more like a premium apartment than an off-road vehicle. The interior design is sleek and minimalistic, featuring high-quality materials like real wood, brushed aluminum, and soft-touch leather finishes. The living area includes a spacious lounge with convertible seating, a smart entertainment system, and panoramic windows that offer breathtaking views no matter where you are parked. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin creates a cozy atmosphere, whether you're in the middle of the desert or parked under a starry sky. Moving towards the kitchen, the DesertCruiser offers a fully equipped setup that rivals modern homes. You get an induction cooktop, full-size refrigerator, microwave oven, and even a compact dishwasher. Storage is intelligently designed, ensuring you can carry everything you need for long-term expeditions without cluttering the space. The sleeping area is equally impressive, featuring a king-size bed with premium mattress quality designed for maximum comfort after long journeys. Surrounding storage compartments, integrated charging ports, and climate control systems ensure that you sleep as comfortably as you would in a luxury hotel. The bathroom setup is something rarely seen in off-road motorhomes. It includes a separate shower cabin with hot water system, a modern toilet, and a stylish sink area with LED mirrors. Water management is handled through large freshwater and gray water tanks, allowing extended off-grid living without compromise. Now let's talk about one of the most important aspects of a vehicle like this: self-sufficiency. The 2026 DesertCruiser is equipped with an advanced solar power system integrated across the roof, combined with high-capacity lithium battery storage. This allows the motorhome to operate completely off-grid for days or even weeks. There's also a backup generator system for additional power when needed. Water independence is also a major highlight. The vehicle features a built-in water purification system, allowing you to source water from natural environments and make it safe for use. This is a game-changer for long expeditions where access to clean water is limited. Technology plays a huge role in this next-generation model. The driver cockpit is fully digital, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and advanced navigation specifically designed for off-road environments. Real-time terrain mapping, vehicle diagnostics, and satellite connectivity ensure that you're always in control, no matter how remote your location is. Safety has also been taken to the next level. The DesertCruiser comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision avoidance, and a 360-degree camera system. For off-road scenarios, additional features like hill descent control, terrain response modes, and tire pressure monitoring ensure maximum safety and performance. One of the standout features of this motorhome is its modular expansion capability. The The Desert Cruiser includes slide-out sections that significantly increase interior space when parked. There's also an optional rooftop deck, giving you a perfect vantage point for relaxing, stargazing, or even setting up additional camping equipment. Storage is another area where this vehicle excels. Exterior compartments are designed to carry everything from spare tires and tools to adventure gear like bikes, kayaks, or even a small motorcycle. This makes it the ultimate companion for explorers who want to take everything with them. Despite its massive size and rugged build, Scania has focused on making the Desert Cruiser surprisingly user-friendly. Advanced steering systems and camera assistance make maneuvering easier than you'd expect. Whether you're navigating tight trails or urban environments, the vehicle provides confidence and control. Fuel capacity has also been extended significantly, allowing long-distance travel without frequent refueling stops. Combined with its efficient engine technology, this motorhome is built for serious cross-country and cross-continent adventures. The 2026 Scania DesertCruiser 6x6 motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. It represents freedom, independence, and the ability to explore the world without limits. Whether you're crossing deserts, climbing mountains, or living off-grid for weeks, this machine is built to handle it all while keeping you in complete comfort. This officially unveiled model pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the world of motorhomes. It combines extreme off-road capability with next-level luxury and cutting-edge technology, creating something truly unique in its class. If you've ever dreamed of escaping civilization and exploring the wild without giving up comfort, the Desert Cruiser might just be the ultimate solution. It's bold, powerful, luxurious, and built for the future of adventure travel. Let me know in the comments what you think about this insane 6x6 motorhome and whether you would take it on a desert expedition or a global road trip.